probably arrived from La Palma, 80 kilometers of ocean away, where genetically similar fowl live. Maybe 1 million years haven't been enough to ripen the forest, or its isolation makes it difficult for other vegetable species to arrive. Maybe all we have left are the remnants of an exuberant forest that succumbed to the slide of El Golfo. Its highly reduced populations. Soft slopes with deep soil. The oldest trees are over 30 meters high. The sunshade of plains where the undergrowth has been exhausted for its wood, and by the still existing pasturage. They are like enormous steps under the shade. The stone curlew, prisoner of the most hostile, semi-deserted areas, ignores that small detail and goes deeper into this particular pine forest. And it intends to stay for quite some time.
No, they're not behind there either. Where's the birdies, Harry? Where's the birdies, Harry?
A pair of kestrels feeds its chicks in the nooks of this giant with the soul of a torch. The abundance of lizards makes it possible to have a large family comfortably. Oblivious to time, forgetful mists keep treading across the central plateau, looking for foliage to freshen.